Welcome to Module 2. By the end of this module, learners will be able to select effective slide layout and themes to create a professional and structured presentation. They will be able to apply contrast, fonts, and colors strategically to improve readability and engagement while incorporating images, icons, and diagrams effectively to reinforce key concepts. Additionally, learners will design visually clean and focused slides that enhance comprehension and avoid common design mistakes such as cluster slides and poor color choices. They also utilize PowerPoint tools like Smart Art, alignment features, and built-in templates to create a polished and visually appealing presentation. So let's get in there. Your slide layout is the foundation of an effective PowerPoint video. PowerPoint provides built-in layouts that help structure content professionally. Instead of starting with a blank slide, use title and content, to content or comparison layouts, all right, in order to structure your slides for consistency. Select a theme. This is another fantastic tip that you need to take note. Select a theme that sets the tone for your video lesson. Avoid default PowerPoint themes that may look generic. Instead, choose a clean, professional theme that aligns with your subject. You can also customize themes by adjusting colors, fonts, and backgrounds to ensure consistency throughout. Stick to a simple design. This is a very fantastic best practice. Choose to a simple design. So too many decorative elements can distract learners from the core content. A well-structured layout keeps your slides visually appealing and easy to follow. So this is very important to note. All right. So then you need to use contrast fonts and colors for readability. So readability is key to keeping learners engaged. Follow these best practices when you are opting for this. Number one, on your contrast, ensure strong contrast between text and background. Dark text on a light background or vice versa improves legibility and avoid placing text over busy images. Then for fonts, use professional like sans-serif fonts like Arial, Calibri, or Verdana. So they are clean and easy to read on screens. Stick to a maximum of 2 fonts per presentation, one for headings and another for body text. And on the font size, maintain a readable font size like 24 point or larger for body text and at least 36 point for headings. This ensures clarity even when viewed on a small screen. Lastly, on the colors, use a limited color palette of 3 to 4 complementary colors. Overusing colors can be distracting, so PowerPoint built-in color schemes may help in maintaining this. So applying these principles ensures that your slides are visually appealing, all right, while enhancing comprehension. Key message in here is to avoid placing text over busy images. All right. The next aspect of this is when and how to incorporate images, icons, and diagrams. Visuals. All right. Visuals are essential for reinforcing key concepts and maintaining engagement. No doubt about this. Instead of text-heavy slides, use images, icons, and diagrams to communicate ideas effectively. On the images, use high-quality, relevant images that support the lesson. Avoid decorative visuals that do not add meaning. PowerPoint stock images feature provides professional grade visuals for you. And for icons make them to be simple. All right. So icons can actually simplify information and make slides more engaging. So use PowerPoint icons library to add simple, clean symbols that illustrate key points. Then diagram and smart art. Instead of listing information as plain text, converting it into smart art diagrams for improved clarity. Flowchart cycles, hierarchy diagrams help organize information visually. More so, chart and graphs. You need to ensure that if you are presenting data, use bar charts or pie charts or line graphs to make numbers more digestible. Keep labels clear and avoid unnecessary 3D effect. So by using visuals strategically, you create slides that are not only engaging but also easier to understand. Another important issue here is keep your slides visually clean and focused. So as a teacher that is preparing video lessons for your lecture or for your lesson, you need to be careful here. Minimalist slides are more effective than overcrowded ones. Follow these tips and best practices to keep your slides clean and focused. One idea per slide. Avoid cramming multiple topics into a single slide. Each slide should convey one key idea. White space is key. What do you mean by this? Don't fear empty space. It helps improve readability and focus. Crowded space or crowded slides make it difficult to process information. Then the issue of alignment and spacing. Ensure text and visuals are properly aligned. Use PowerPoint align and distribute tools to maintain balance. And also, the use of bullet points. You need to make use of your bullet point wisely. Keep bullet points short and direct. No more than 5 to 7 words per line. This is very important. So, a clean slide enhances learning by directing attention to the most important content without distraction. Overloaded slides is tantamount to disengage the learners. Okay, let's now look into the common mistakes that we get into, especially when you are a novice. So the very first one being the problem of cluster slides. Too much text, too many images, and excessive animations overwhelm learners. And a solution to this could be you simplify, make it as simple as possible, reduce content, use visuals strategically, and focus on clarity. So less is more focus on clarity. Less is more. So focus on clarity and engagement. Another common mistake is the issue of poor color choices. So here, use overly bright or mismatch. Using overly bright or mismatched colors can strain the eyes and reduce readability. So a solution to this problem is to use a professional simple color scheme. Stick to this and then you will be fine. Ensure the contrasts are fine, are okay. Then you'll be able to improve and improve your readability and at the same time keep it more professional. So as final tips for you, you need to structure your slides in such a way that the layout and the themes are synchronizable, and at the same time you use high contrast text, readable fonts, and a limited color palette. Incorporate engaging visuals, icons, smart art, and charts. Keep slides clean, focused, and cluster free. So a well-designed slide enhances learning by making information clear, engaging, and memorable. By choosing effective layout, optimizing readability, incorporating visuals, and keeping the slides clean, you create a professional and compelling PowerPoint. In the next module, we will explore how to add animations and transitions to bring your slides to life. Remember, the goal is to create a visually appealing and effective learning experience for our learners.